When Premiere crashes, it can be very frustrating. But fortunately, in all my years of having it crash, I found out that it comes down to pretty much 5 things, I would say, that you can look into to help resolve that issue. So in this video, I'm going to be going over those 5 steps that you can take if you're experiencing Premiere crashing quite a bit. So let's dive in. So one of the first things that you can do if you're experiencing Premiere crashing quite a bit is to clean the media cache. A lot of times when Premiere is crashing, it might be because the media cache has corrupted files in it. So to clean it out, you can easily go up to Premiere at the top left, go to Settings, Media Cache. You can click on this delete button here and click OK, and this will clean up the cache. So if anything's corrupted when it comes to the media cache, which is basically the temporary files that Premiere uses to play back and run the software and to play back your footage in the timeline, when it cleans out, click OK, you can see whether it keeps crashing or not. But that's one of the first steps. In addition to that, you can also check the RAM allocation. A lot of times if your system doesn't meet the minimum requirements, such as the amount of RAM needed to run the software, or maybe the GPU drivers are out of date, you'll run into issues where Premiere will keep crashing. But you can check your RAM by going into the memory section of the settings. So if you click on memory, you can see how much is installed on your computer and make sure that the RAM reserved for other applications is as low as possible. So for example, I'm changing it from 24 to 12 here. That way 116 is available for Premiere. And it's shared among the other software as well. It could also be very common that if you have After Effects, Media Encoder, and Audition open, maybe close one of those. That way more RAM is being used and preserved for Premiere. But this is another step that you can take just to make sure that your RAM is being allocated correctly. So if you go through the first 2 steps and Premiere is still crashing on you, I would say that's a sign that there's probably something wrong with the project or something inside the project. I would then take a look at like the effects, the codecs, and the different things within your project. One of the next things you can take a look at are the actual video codecs of your footage. So you can check the video codecs by always right-clicking on any of your clips in your timeline and going to Media File Properties. This box will appear and it'll show you an overview of the type of video that is imported inside the project. And a lot of times, if you import maybe iPhone footage or footage with variable frame rates or footage that isn't natively supported, you can have problems inside Premiere Pro, or maybe that video file is corrupted possibly, and every time you play it back, you might have issues where it crashes, or it might stutter and then crash. So I would check the footage, make sure it's not the footage that's causing the issue. You can try transcoding your footage. Let's say if you did have iPhone footage in a weird frame rate where it's like, I don't know, 27.45 frames a second for some reason, you can always convert it maybe. And for this, I like to use Handbrake. Handbrake is an open source video transcoder that you can use to especially convert from VFR to CFR, so from variable frame rate to constant frame rate. And it does the trick. I really like using it. If I have issues with any of the videos I'm editing, I'll use this to transcode it. I'll try re-importing that clip and replacing it inside Premiere Pro. So download this, convert it using this, and then back in Premiere, you can import that file, or what you can do is actually, let's say if this clip is having issues and you transcoded it, you can always right-click and go to Replace Footage, and replace this footage with that transcoded video that you just used Handbrake for. So that's how you can update and replace footage inside Premiere Pro. And you can do that and see if that helps with the transcoding of the video to a constant frame rate, to a more uniformed, resolution and frame rate, to see if that works for you. So if video codecs aren't the issue, you can then take a look at the effects, transitions, and plugins that you're using inside the software. A lot of times these effects, transitions, and plugins can be very intensive and can cause Premiere to crash. So if you notice that you're over a certain clip in your timeline, maybe you're playing it back, and that's when Premiere crashes, I would then take a look at that clip, see what effects or different things that are applied to it, and see if that's the issue. A lot of times, if you mix speeding, like speed remapping, I would say, let's say if you slow down, speed up a clip with another effect, that can often crash Premiere. Or when you mix different effects together, sometimes combinations of certain effects can have Premiere crash on you. So I would take a look more at that. If plugins are the issue, let's say if you wanted to reset your plugins inside Premiere Pro, you can always go to the effects panel, click on the hamburger menu, and go to Manage Video Effects. You can see all of the different video effects that I have installed inside Premiere. So if you ever needed to disable any of these, you can select which ones you'd like to disable, and click Disable All at the top right. And lastly, if Premiere is still having issues crashing on you, I would then look to uninstall and reinstall the software. This can help just kind of flush and reset the program and kind of give you a fresh starting slate with the software itself, especially also restarting your computer afterwards. And you can even try restarting your computer first if you want, see if that helps as well. But those are some tips to help with crashing inside Premiere.